Alright, so guys, okay, I really wanted to change my name to maybe like Lightning the Wolf, or a name to be a wolf or something like that. And I don't know if I should do that. Only if my mom wants me, but if she says yes, and I could maybe do that, but I don't know, maybe like Lightning the Wolf or Shadow the Wolf, but that's already YouTuber's name. Or Rainbow the White Wolf, or Layla the White Wolf. Tell me in the comments if I should do any of that stuff, and hold on, I'll be right back. I just gotta go ask my mom if she would say yes.
I wouldn't do anything right now.
Not now.
Think about, yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so she said maybe, like maybe. I don't know why it's doing that. So she said maybe, so I don't know what the better word maybe, but anyways, tell me in the comments below if I should do it or not. Like, Lightning the Wolf. Alright, bye guys. Ow!